In this lecture, we are going to discuss about copy command in Linux. Copy. What is copy? Copy is basically a behave like a backup. Let's say you have some of the directories and files are there, okay? And you want to make a copy of that. Let's say you have a file is there, test.txt. And you want to copy this file so that, by any chance, if you delete this file, original file, still you will have a backup available. So you can use copy text.txt and the file name. Normally we are giving the file name like text dot or underscore bkp.txt. So you are creating this is a copy. So even though if you remove this original file, even though if you remove by using the rm command, still you have a backup available. That is where we are using a copy command. For copy you are using cp. cp is for copy. Copy the file name, the source file which you want to copy, and the name of the copied file name. Okay, whatever you want to give. Let's say I want to give backup.txt. Let's take the real-time example, then it will be more understandable. Let me go to the home directory. So I am here clearing the screen. clear ls-lrt. What I can see here, there is a file called text.txt. Let me take the backup of this text.txt. Let me copy this file, cp, and the file name which I want to copy, and the name of the file which I want to give after the copy. Okay, let's say I'm giving underscore bkp. Now if I do ls-lrt, which will show me the list of files and directory in this location, I can see we have a test.txt is also there, and this is a backup file. This is a backup file. It will have the same content. Both the files will have same content because they are just a copy. Can you see the contents are same? When I open this file, I can see the same content. When I open the next file, I can see the same content. So you can copy your files. Apart from this, you can also copy a directory. Let's say we have a directory available here called test.dir. Let me copy this test.dir. I'm copying it, and I'm copying the directory as copy dir underscore bkp. Let me copy it. Now I'm getting some error message. What is this error message? Since it is a directory, and directory will contain your another files and folder, another directory, it can contain on files also. For that we need to use cp-l, cp-r. R is the option for specially of directory purpose. So I'm giving test.dir underscore bkp. Done. If I do ls-lrt, what I can see, there is a test.dir is also there, and test.dir underscore backup. So whatever the files, and let's say I'm going inside the directory, whatever files and directories are available right now, we don't have any files here, and whatever it is there, it is a hidden only. Because of that only you can see dot. So what I mean to say, cp-r is the command is helping you to copy your directory along with subdirectory, because this test.dir also can contain other files and directory. So it will copy everything inside this directory. So that's the difference between cp command and how we can copy the directory. This is a really important command. Normally we are using it in real-time production environment. Apart from this, there are multiple things are there, like cp we already used, cp-r. We can also use cp-i. This time it did not ask us any type of confirmation whether you really want to copy. If you want to ask the confirmation, you can use cp-i. So I'm just taking some of the important options related to the copy command. I hope this is clear. Thank you.